Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable hidden matchmaking delay in Dead by Daylight. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the options. Now here, let's go over to online. And you guys will see hidden matchmaking delay right here. You guys can enable it. This will basically force your games to be delayed a little bit, so whenever you try and find a match, then it will be slightly delayed to, let's say, if you're a streamer, then you don't want to get stream sniped in the game, and this is why they added this option. So it's mostly for streamers, or for, let's say, somebody harasses you, you don't want to play, then you can simply enable the hidden matchmaking delay, and everything should be okay, and you shouldn't meet the same people. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.